we are Big Chungus, and in our performance, our Martys are showcasing the arts of Chinese Kung Fu in 3 different forms, being Shaolin Kung Fu, Tai Chi, and Wing Chun training.
When being exposed to Chinese culture since a young age, we were inspired by the ancient art of Kung Fu and its many different forms, and wanted to promote it to the world using this opportunity with Marty.
Referencing documentaries and information we found online, we came up with some simple poses for the Martys to demonstrate through the functions in the Martys library in Python.
As for the background music, we decided to use the app GarageBand to sing different traditional Chinese music instruments, such as the Chinese drums, pipa, guzheng, to the Marty's movements.
The background video shows the Chinese names of the 3 different styles of Kung Fu, and behind the words are the elements that are associated with these styles of Kung Fu. Shaolin Kung Fu is associated with fire, as it utilizes strong kicks and punches, much like the aggressive and powerful nature of fire. So we coded Marty's movements to adhere to this theme.
Water represents fluidity and adaptability of Tai Chi, as the martial art style focuses less on strength and more gentle compared to the other styles of Kung Fu, often related to mediation in motion, much like the state of flowing water. So Marty is moving slowly but fluid while doing Tai Chi. Lastly, Wing Chun is characterized by the word Chun, which represents spring, and also bamboo, which are fast-growing. Therefore, Marty's action when doing Wing Chun is much more straightforward, but emphasizes on efficiency at the same time.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation and have learned more about Chinese culture in the process.
Thank you.